Hello and welcome to the Beginner Scratchers tutorial episode 1. So, to begin with, we'll be talking about how to go on to Scratch and make a new project, and also talk about the most common blocks on Scratch. So, in the search bar, type in Scratch and hit the enter. Then click on Scratch Imagine Program Share. Then this screen should come up. When this screen comes up, click on Create. That should automatically make you a new project for you. Close the little bar. Here is Scratch Cat, the most basic sprite. And here are some codes that will be filling this blank space in. First, the most basic block is when green flag clicked. Basically what this block does is when you press the green flag, the script does everything what's underneath it. Here is the motion category. As the name suggests, it controls the motion of the sprite it's put in. For this example, Scratch Cat. So we'll begin with the Move 10 Steps block. Move 10 steps basically lets the Scratchy to move forward 10 steps every time we click the green flag. It will do that every time we click the green flag. We can even do a ridiculously high number, but Scratchy will bump its head, unfortunately. Let's just move that aside for now and move on to the next block, which is turn 15 degrees. It basically turns Scratchy 15 degrees to the right. And the one below that is turn left 15 degrees. It does the opposite to the one to the right, turn 15 degrees right. Okay, let's stop with that. We'll make Scratchy dizzy. The next block, go to random position. We'll take Scratchy to a random position every time we click the green flag. This will be good for a random generator of some sort. Go to X something, Y something. It basically takes Scratchy to that precise coordinate. For example, 0x 0y will take Scratchy to exactly the middle. Anywhere you put Scratchy on the board. The next block in line is glide 1 second to random position. It's similar to go to random position, but it takes 1 second to do so. Next block is glide 1 second to the coordinates that are in the blank spaces. It's the same as go to X, go to Y, but as you might have guessed, it takes 1 second to do so. Or any number in the blank. Pointing direction, something. Basically, let Scratchy point in the direction selected in the box, in the blank space. Let's just set Scratchy back to its normal. Point towards mouse pointer. It allows Scratchy to point towards mouse pointer, which is a little bit hard to demonstrate at this point because the green flag is the same place. So we'll show you in that future episode. Change X by 10. This is basically similar to move 10 steps, but it moves 10 to the 10 in 10 axis and in the X axis. If we do minus 10, then it moves backwards towards the minus X axis. Set X is similar but different. It sets the X-axis to whatever number is in the blank space. For example, if we put it goes to the middle. If we put it anywhere on the board, it will always try to go to the X coordinate 0. Set X and set Y and change Y is similar, but it works on the Y-axis. The height. Change Y by 10, lift Scratchy up, and change Y by minus 10, let Scratchy to go down. Set Y, set Scratchy's Y-axis, thus up and down motion. If on edge bounce, this is a tricky one to explain because this bounces when it's on the edge, but we currently don't have the code, so we'll try to explain that in a future episode. Set rotation style to left and right. We'll have to do a little bit of explaining. If you click on the direction, then there are 3 types of drawings on the bottom. The first one is all around, which allows Scratchy to go all the way around, spin all the way around the arrow points. The left and right only allows Scratchy to turn left and right. And no rotation means, unfortunately, Scratchy cannot rotate and can only face in the same direction. Let's just set that back to all around so Scratchy can be happy. So that block basically sets the rotation style. So we have gone through the basic blocks of motion in the motions category. Now let's have a little bit of fun with these blocks, shall we? What about we activate them all at once? Shall we have a test? Oh, that was not as crazy as we expected, but still, it's alright. Now let's just separate those 2 blocks so that Scratchy don't get a headache with all the movement. Now I'll explain a bit about sprites and backgrounds. There is a numerous thing you can do with creating a sprite, but today I'll just check out the choosing the sprite. You can choose from all these sprites. And there's a lot more from these categories. And it's the same with backgrounds, which is his called backdrops. We'll have a nice castle here for Scratchy. Now Scratchy is in a castle, but something's missing. Shall we give him a cake? Shall we just get him a cake? Sure. Here it is, the cake. Now let's just set the cake a simple script. Move 10 steps. Actually, let's put a go to random position. Well, this was a lot to cover in one episode, but we still manage it anyway. You can play with these blocks until you get bored of them. There's an endless possibility.